Hey, welcome everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Media Encoder for free on both PC and Mac using a fully legal 14-day free trial, not just the standard 7 days that most people get. Not only that, but I'll also give you a quick demonstration of how to use Media Encoder to compress videos like a pro without losing quality. So, if you want to speed up your video workflow and make exporting videos easier, follow along and click the link in the description to download Adobe Media Encoder for free. To start, simply click the link in the video description. This will take you directly to the free trial page for Adobe Media Encoder. It's that easy. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option to start your free trial. Adobe offers 2 different trial plans. Individual plan, 7-day free trial. Business plan, 14-day free trial. Since we want more time to test out Media Encoder, we'll choose the business plan, which gives us a full 14-day trial for free. This extended trial period will give you ample time to explore all its features and benefits. Don't worry, the process is exactly the same, and you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial period ends. Next, you'll need to sign in or create an Adobe account. This account is necessary for the trial period and ensures that you have full access to Adobe Media Encoder. If you don't have one, enter your email and follow the sign-up steps. After signing in, Adobe will ask for payment details. But remember, you will not be charged unless you decide to continue after the free trial. I always recommend setting a reminder on your phone a few days before the trial ends, just in case you want to cancel. Now, Adobe will prompt you to download Creative Cloud, a platform that allows you to manage and install Adobe applications. This is where you'll install Media Encoder. Once the Creative Cloud installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the setup instructions. After installation, launch Creative Cloud, log in, and you'll see a list of Adobe apps. Search for Adobe Media Encoder, click Install, and let the process run. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once it's installed, you're all set. Open Adobe Media Encoder, and now you have full access for 14 days, completely free. Now that you have Media Encoder installed, let me give you a quick demonstration of how to compress a video while keeping the quality high. First, open Adobe Media Encoder. Now drag and drop your video file into the Q panel. Click on the output format. H.264 is the best choice for compressed, high-quality video. Adjust the bitrate settings under the Video tab. Bitrate encoding, set to VBR, 2 pass target. Bitrate, lower it slightly for a smaller file. Size maximum bitrate, keep it reasonable to maintain quality. Choose your output folder, then hit Start. Q Media Encoder will now compress the video while keeping it looking crisp and professional. And that's it. Now you have Adobe Media Encoder for free. For 14 days, and you know how to compress videos like a pro without losing quality. Click the link in the description to grab your free trial and start using Media Encoder today. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following tutorial.